Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Holford, South Birmingham. 2014 Range Rover Sport 3 litre SD V6. Now it's an autobiography in Fuji white. It's black and white, 22-inch, beautiful gloss black alloys, matching Goodyear tyres, 106,000 miles, very good service history, most of it by Land Rover, serviced up to date, just been serviced, had the cam belt replaced at 73,000 miles, 2 keys, like brand new keys, and a lovely, and I just say this, one of the cleanest, best driving Range Rover Sports we have ever owned. Just quality, you know, really been looked after. You can tell by the matching Goodyear Ultra Grip tyres, the immaculate alloy wheels, lovely discs, nice and clean inside, and just not been painted or messed with in any way. Just a really lovely example. Autobiography, 3 litre diesel automatic, reverse camera, rear park sensors, privacy glass, power tailgate. It's a dynamic pack, so it's got the extra bits on the bumpers, autobiography and dynamic, 22-inch gloss black alloy wheels, which are immaculate, excellent Goodyear tyres, as I say. I mean, Goodyear Ultra Grip's expensive. Opening, sliding glass, panoramic sunroof, cool inside, some sort of grey leather. It is an autobiography, and then full black leather, heated comfort, electric memory, chilled and heated front seats, heated rear seats, got self park, heated leather steering wheel, paddle change, voice control, sat nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth, reverse camera, television, digital TV, 2 keys in lovely condition, fitted mats, rear climate control, very nice condition throughout. Heated rear seats, you can control the rear seats from the screen in the front as well. Space saver alloy spare wheel, big clear reverse camera, super clean in the boot area. There is a space saver alloy wheel in there. No dents, no scratches. Really nice car this. I mean, shame I've just driven it 3 or 4 miles through the country lanes and got it a little bit dirty, but the paintwork is super shiny. It is a really clean car. Blind spot monitoring built into the mirrors, Meridian Hi-Fi, memories for the driver's seat, fitted mats, leather in super condition on the driver's seat, heated leather steering wheel, 106,000 miles. It's got the fridge in the cubby box. Just pop it in reverse, show you the reverse camera, it's a good one. Nice and clear and big. If I close the door, it's got parallel park as well, or self park. If I hit, oh, which button is it? That one. There you go, parallel parking. It's got 2 different types. It's got parallel and reversing it. It's got 2 types of parking. Heated and chilled seats, you can heat them and chill them. You can control the rear heated seats as well from in the front. Obviously sat nav, Bluetooth, DAB radio. Back to the nav, and obviously television. If we go audio visual, there you go, there's the BBC News, which is a long way to go. So a beautiful car this. Autobiography, 106,000, very good history, just been serviced. Cam belt replaced at 73,000 miles, 2 keys. It's got a full MOT, just beautiful. Nice wheels, nice tyres, lovely car. £15,995. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other vehicles in stock. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with 2,000 other car videos we produced over the last couple of years. If you would subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.